guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. Today we're making this chimichurri pasta. All the ingredients are in the description box below. If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start prepping for our pasta by first seasoning our chicken. And for this, you just want to go ahead and use whatever seasonings you have, whatever you like you seasoning your chicken with, but all the ingredients that I used will be in the description box down below. Once your chicken is well seasoned, you want to go ahead and set that aside, and then we're just gonna go ahead and blend our chimichurri sauce here. I started with some lemon juice, then I added some rice wine vinegar, some black pepper, olive oil, and then you just want to cut some cilantro leaves into there. It's about, if we're just going based on the leaves, you can just say 1 cup cilantro, 1.5 cup parsley. That's about what I put in there. And I just took the stems off. You can blend them with the stems if you'd like. Then I added some chili pepper. You can add garlic. I did forget to add my garlic in this stage, but I usually, once that's done, you just want to set that aside. So we're just gonna go ahead and make some quick garlic bread, pop that in the oven while we make our pasta. Also guys, if you have any suggestions on how you make your garlic bread fancier or even more delicious, please go ahead and share them in the comment section down below. I love learning from you guys. Once we put our garlic bread in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and fry our chicken. And for this chicken, I just added some olive oil to my pan. Then I go in with some butter to just add that extra flavor. Once our chicken is well cooked, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside. We're gonna add our chimichurri sauce to the pan, add some garlic to it, and here you just want to let it slightly cook till the sauce sort of thickens up a bit. You don't want your chimichurri to like turn brown or burn, so you're just gonna cook it just a little till like just a little bit of the water is gone. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and add a heavy cream to the chimichurri sauce and just mix that till it's well combined. Then we're gonna add our cheese. Here I went with some Parmesan cheese and some Italian style cheese. You can use whatever cheese your heart desires. You can use less cheese. You can even skip on the cheese if you like. It's your pot. My recipes are just suggestions, just ideas. You can change these up or add, subtract, whatever you would like according to your taste. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pasta. I use some fettuccine. Some options here you can use for your pasta are linguine. You can use spaghetti if you'd like, penne pasta, whatever they're called. And we're gonna go ahead and add some sun-dried tomatoes here. I feel like this adds color, and because the pasta is just such a fresh pasta, when you bite into that sun-dried tomato, it gives it that like tanginess. It's just delicious. And then we're gonna add the chicken back to our pot and just mix everything till it's well combined. The flavor from the chicken gets infused with the sauce. You don't need any extra seasonings, any extra thing, but here you can taste it. If you need more salt, add more salt. Whatever more you feel like you need, you can make adjustments as you go. And we're just gonna let that cook up a little bit till everything's well combined and they become one, form that holy matrimony that we like talking about. Then we're gonna add some more sun-dried tomatoes. It's up to you. I just added mine for the color, for the pictures. Then we're just gonna serve that up. Top it with some cheese alongside those garlic bread that we made. This is like the perfect meal for a date night, for the weekend. Serve this with a glass of wine and enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, please, I am begging you, bring my Nigerian accent to beg you. I take God, beg you. Help me share this video, guys. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next.